Welcome to the channel. This is the question paper of Chemical Science WB SET 2022. Here we are discussing about all inorganic questions. There are 32 questions from 68 to 100. Okay. Now the first question is the toxicity of Cn- is due to the fact that. Here the correct option is option C. It blocks the cytochrome C oxidase involved in the respiratory chain by stabilizing iron 3 and copper 1. Okay, and this question is framed from bioinorganic. Next question 69. This question from main block element. The equatorial FSF bond angles in SF4 and SOF4 are. Okay. Here the correct option is option B, 101 degree and 115 degree. At first we have to draw the structure of SF4 and SOF4, then we get the correct bond angle. Next, option 70. The correct set of statements among the following on the 19F NMR study of PF5 molecule is. Okay, and so here correct option is option A. And it is from spectroscopy question. Question 71. The correct order of LMCT energy in the following species is. Here the correct option is option A. It is also from spectroscopy or coordination compound. Next 72. Choline is an example of seed silicate. Option C. Next 73. The standard potential for the reduction of ClO4- to Cl2 is. Here the correct option is option C. This question from electrochemistry. Next 74. B2H6 reacts with ammonia forming a compound B2H6.2NH3. The resulting compound is option A is ionic and exists as BH2NH3 plus and BH4 minus, and option B is converted into inorganic benzene on heating. Okay, here the correct option is option D. A and B both are correct. Next question 75. In MO2S2 2- cluster, the number of bridging S2 and coordination number of MO respectively are. It is also from organometallic compound. Okay, here the correct option is option E. Next question 76. In acidic solution, CONH3 CO3 plus is converted to aqua complex with the release of CO2 if the reaction is carried out in H2O. It is marking on 18, oxygen 18. Do you expect the presence of O18 in the resulting complex? Here the correct option is option B. No, as the substitution occurs without breaking metal ligand bond. Okay. Next, the compounds of Xc which possess same shape as SO4 2 minus and SF4 respectively are, here the correct option is option B. Is also from main block elements or general inorganic chemistry, as we can say. Next, 78. Identify the correct set of statements from the following on ferrimagnetism observed in the magnetic which exhibits. There are 4 options, and here the correct option is option B. 1 and 4 is correct. Next, 79. The compound among the following having pp single bond is option B, P4O10. Next question, question 80. The X-ray powder pattern of NaCl exhibit an intense peak at 2 theta 31.74 degree using X-rays of wavelength of 1.54 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. The packing between the planes of NaCl crystal is. It is the question from solid state chemistry. Here the correct option is option C. Here in the question 79 there is a mistake, sorry. Here for the question 79 the correct option is option D, H4P2O6. Okay. Now let's see 81. Among the following, identify the correct set of statements for polarography. Here the correct option is option A. 1, 2 and 4, these 3 statements are correct. Next, 82. 200 ml of a sample water contains 0.006 gram CaCO3 salt and the hardness of this water is. Here the correct option is option D. Next question, question 83. The analysis of phosphorus content of a cola drink involves reduction of a molybdenum 6 salt. Okay, so correct option is option C. Next, 84. The tanning of leather industry uses the coordination complex of the metal chromium, option C. Next question, 85. 0.4506 gram of an iron ore is converted to Fe2O3 after a series of chemical treatments. If the weights of the obtained Fe2O3 is 0.211 gram, the percentage of iron in the given ore is. It is from general physical chemistry question. Okay, here the correct option is option D. Now 86. The Stykes code of B2H6 and B4H10 respectively are. Here the correct option is option A. Now 87. The unit cells of wardite and rutile respectively are hexagonal and tetragonal, option B. The point groups of PtCl4 2- and BF2 respectively are. D4H and D infinity H. Option D. Next, 89. The potential of the H plus H2 couple of pH 7 can be calculated to be. Here the correct option is option D. The volume of 2 normal Na2EDTA solution required to reach the end point in a complexometric titration of an aqueous solution of 50 gram CaCO3 is. Here the correct option is option C, 500 ml. Next, 91. The spin multiplicity of carbon atom in ground state is. Here the correct option is option 3. It is very simple question. 92. Which of the following species does not exist? PbI4. Option A. Next, 93. Which one of the following compounds shows both geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism? Here the correct option is option C. Na2S. Next, 94. Na2S upon treatment with sodium nitroprusside solution forms a purple solution due to the formation of Na4FeCN whole 5 NOS. These questions from analytical portion. 95. In which of the following transformation the state of hybridization of the central atom does not change? Here the correct option is option B. It is very easy question. 96. The correct order of energy required to remove the highest energy electron from the following species is. It is also a very easy question. It is the option B. General inorganic chemistry question. 97. The pH of 60% ionized of 0.01 normal acid solution is. It is also a very easy question. Option C. Correct option is option C. The correct order of lattice energy of the fluorides of Cr3 plus Mn2 plus and Ni2 plus is. Here the correct option is option B. These questions from lattice energy diagram. Okay. Next, 99. The cluster type and geometry of the species RH9 P CO21 whole 2 minus. Here the correct option is option A, clozo and tricap trigonal prism. Next, 100. It is the last question. Amongst the following, identify the correct set of statements for complexes of lanthanide ions. There are 4 options and it is a multiple selective question, MSQ type, and here the correct option is option B. Thank you for watching this video.